Google Sites is a free and easy to use website builder that allows you to create and publish a website or a web page without any prior coding or design experience. It is a great tool for individuals and businesses who want to create a professionally looking website without spending a lot of money on website design and development. In this video today, we will be discussing how you can use Google Sites to make a lot of money. We will start by discussing the different ways you can monetize your website, and then we'll go over to the step that you can actually take for you to actually get your Google Sites started and start making money. Before we dive into the specifics, let us first talk about the different ways you can monetize your website. There are several ways that you can actually make money using a website, but then let us take a look at 4 of them very quickly. Number 1 is advertising. You can sell advertising spaces on your website to companies who want to promote their products or their services. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as the use of banner ads, sponsored posts, and sponsored links. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other companies' products on your website and then directing your visitors to their websites to make a purchase. Once they make a purchase, you can earn a commission. Number 3 is e-commerce. You can sell your own products or services on your own website using an e-commerce platform. And an example of some of the websites that you can actually integrate to your website and then make it possible for you to actually sell using e-commerce are Shopify and WooCommerce. Number 4 is sponsorship. You can negotiate sponsorship deals with companies who want to be associated with your website and then its content. And this can become a win-win situation for both your own brand and the company in question that is offering the sponsorship deal. Now that we have covered the different ways that you can monetize your website, let us look at the steps that you can take to set up your Google Sites and then start making money. The number 1 is that you choose a niche. The first step in setting up a Google Sites website is to choose a niche or a topic that you are passionate about and that has the potential to make you money. This could be anything from a hobby or interest to a specific product or service that you are knowledgeable about. An example would be the cooking niche. If you love cooking and you are passionate about cooking, then it could only be a smart choice to start a website around the cooking niche, simply because you don't just know about cooking, but you are also passionate about cooking. This way, you can hardly get tired of what you are doing. Number 2, set up your website. Once you have chosen your niche, it is time to set up your Google website. Start by creating a new site on Google Sites, and then you choose the template that best fits your needs. You can then customize the design and then the layout of your website to suit the branding and then the preferences of your choice. We will talk about this step much later. The number 3 is add content. The next step is to add content to your website. This kind of content can include blog posts, articles, videos, and other type of media that are relevant to your niche and that attracts visitors to your website. It is important to regularly update your website with fresh content to keep your visitors coming back to get more. So keep it fresh. Number 4 is to monetize your website. Once you have a steady stream of visitors to your website, it is time to start monetizing your website. You can do this through advertising, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or sponsorship, depending on which method best fits your website and your audience. The number 5 is to promote your website. This particular step in making money using Google Sites is to promote your website and then drive traffic to it. You can do this through a variety of methods, such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Practically speaking, Google Sites is a powerful and easy to use tool for creating and monetizing a website. By choosing a niche, setting up your website, adding content and monetizing it, and promoting it, you can at least start making money using Google Sites. Click to watch this video showing up right here to set up your own Google Sites and start making money for yourself also. Click to watch, and I'll see you in the very next one.